welcome to my channel. My name is Amy, and yeah, today we're going to be doing this look. It's pretty like autumnal and Halloweeny, because Halloween is my favourite day of the year, except for like Christmas. Like, I put it above my birthday, to be fair. I love Halloween. I love anything spooky and ghouly, and just, yeah, I love it. The weather's been miserable outside, and then today it's come out like glorious sunshine and summery, but I still wanted to do like autumnal makeup. Do not mind this. I did not realise Huda Beauty Fur Filter Foundation oxidizes that much. But yeah, if you want to see how I did this, keep on watching and I'll see you in a sec. Okay, so today I'm going in with my Sample Beauty, you can't even see that, it's a Sample Beauty Equalizer palette. It's, I can open it up. It's beautiful, look at that. I think I'm going to go with something quite like autumnal today, and I'm just feeling very autumny. It was like really dark and like miserable the past few days, and now it's come out glorious, which is quite annoying. I'm gonna go in with my JS13. Like I've said before, these are my favorite tiny little like pencil brushes. I think I'm gonna go in with Thunder the Black. I'm gonna go in with that first, and I'm gonna pop that in my crease, because this is gonna give me like serious depth. Please ignore my missing nails. I have two at the minute. They're getting fixed today, so not to worry. And I'm just going to really lightly stamp this just kind of above my natural crease, and build that up a little bit. I don't want to go too like intense with the black, because it is just for depth. It's not gonna give me, it's not gonna be the base of my look. Okay, so now I've got my black on, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a slightly fluffier brush. What's this? This is a Morphe M456, and I'm gonna go in with Adam, which is this like reddy brown shade. And I'm gonna blend that black out. These are so pigmented, you really do not need to dig in, so just like be warned. And I'm almost gonna go like almost completely over the black and just buff out. I'd say I'm like 75% on the black and then like the rest off, because I don't want to take all the darkness all the way to my brow, because I am going to blend this out as well, and I just want to keep it quite tight. I just want to keep that darkness to the crease. And always, my looks look a mess before they get better. Like, I feel like my makeup is just pure trust the process. I'm going to go in with the M441, and I'm going to go in with Vitamin, the orange. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap into Queen, which is the red below it, just a little bit, and put that just between the orange and the Adam shade. Same brush. And then same brush again, I'm going to go into the yellow, which is called Rubber, and just use that to blend out the very edges. Okay, so I have blended a little bit too far in the inner corner for my liking, so I'm just going to take a cotton round, micellar water. This is not something I have to do that often, but I don't mind it too much. I'm just going to fold it in half and then fold it into a quarter and just tidy up this area a little bit. I'm going to blend that edge and I'll put more base on and it'll be fine. All I'm going to do is I'm going to take another brush. I'm going to take the M441, which is another fluffy brush. I'm going to take the orange and just blend this, just to round that out a little bit, but not take it as far as I did the last time. And I'm going to stay with that brush. I'm going to take more of the yellow and just buff out this edge just a little bit more. Okay, so I have these two Beauty Bay Living My Best Light liquid shadows. I've got, ooh, that's nice. I haven't used these two, I don't think. I'm just gonna quickly, ooh, that's nice too. So they are in the shades Smoky Quartz and Tiger's Eye. This is Tiger's Eye and this is the Smoky Quartz. I think I'm gonna go in with Tiger's Eye, but that Smoky Quartz might get like an honorable mention. I'm just gonna take the applicator it comes with and kind of create like a cut crease, not like a very, what is the word I am looking for? You'll see. And then I'm just gonna take my non-nail finger and I'm just gonna tap out the edge. Oh, this is pretty. Just, there's a little bit of patchiness just there. Ah, that fixed it. Okay. That is so pretty. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love it. Okay, other eye. Oh, that is so pretty. So that is that. And then I think what I'm gonna do, okay, so that's that. And then I've got this one in selenite. Selenite? I don't know if I'm saying that right. And this is so pretty. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop it on the back of my hand. take my finger and just tap that on the centre, just to kind of bring an extra dimension to it and almost kind of like halo-eye it. I'm really not taking a lot. These they just perform better in light layers, and you do want to let them like dry between the layers. Okay, right, I'm gonna take the M456 that I had that brown Adam shade on. I'm not adding any extra product. I'm just gonna buff out this edge just into the shimmers. I find that I usually have enough product already on the brush, especially when it's darker shades, to be able to just blend the edges. Pop that away, and I'm gonna go do my base, I guess, and then I'll be back. Okay, I am back. I used my Huda Beauty foundation. I just got this yesterday, and I did not realise it oxidizes. It matched me when I put it on, and now there's quite a lot of oxidization. I'm hoping I can sort that out later. Then I've used my tantour in light. Everyone said that this is super dark, and I actually don't think it is. I think this is quite natural for me. Usually, like, if I'm gonna go in with a contour, I'm gonna go in, I mean, that's like the lightest I generally go, so I was quite surprised with that, but I actually quite like it. Usually I go in quite like really dark contour and then blend over the top with a bronzer and like lighten it up that way, just like for a really whoosh. Anyway, so I use that. Yeah, my regular bronzer and blush, and I use my Aurora from Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight. Love it. I'm gonna have to order the other foundation, because I mean, like, I'm pretty neutral. Like, I'm neutral leaning on yellow, but that is like pure yellow. Like, my face is fine. Like, if I just leave the t-shirt, that's fine. But the second you see my chest, that is ridiculous. And I don't know, like, I didn't even use that much foundation. I don't know, I'll say it out later. Okay, so I've put my Urban Decay, ooh, where was that? I put Urban Decay Lash Freak on my lashes, because I like to let my mascara dry before I go in with the falsies. And then let's go back and do this lash line. I'm not sure what I want to do. Yeah, I do. Alright, I'm going to take that M456. I'm going to go in with Adam. Let's pop this in. Probably just the outer half. And then I'm going to go in with the M441 with the orange shade. Oh my god. So I've just been like filming the under eye, and then my phone started flashing and I'm like, what's going on? It wasn't recording. I was getting notifications, which I don't get when I'm filming. But yeah, so I've just lost all of what I've just done. Yay me! Finally! Woohoo! I feel like I need a celebration. And it's empty. Okay. is it. Like, I actually quite like this. It's like all mysterious and gothic. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you, yeah. If you recreate this, let me know. Like, tag me. I love to see when people recreate my looks. It's happened a few times on Instagram and I'm like, so yeah, let me know. Please leave a comment below, give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.